Construction is underway on several San Juan County roads. It's National Small Business Week, and the Music for Masada benefit concert is this Saturday. You're watching the Local News Roundup, brought to you by Ace Hardware of Farmington and Three Rivers Brewery. I'm your host, Ryan Simonovich. Construction is underway on several San Juan County roads. On Road 350, crews are milling and setting an asphalt overlay near State Route 516. Work is expected to be complete in mid-May. Bridges are being repaired on roads 3000 and 3500. The Road 3000 project is on schedule and should reopen in June. Road 3500 is not progressing as quickly, and reopening will be delayed. Both roads are closed to through traffic at the construction locations. Follow San Juan County on social media for project updates. The Farmington Women's Business Center will host the It's May Shop Away Small Business and Community Resource Fair on Saturday, May 10th at the Berg Park River Reach Terrace from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The event celebrates National Small Business Week and will feature vendors, booths, and resources for business owners and professionals. For more information, visit farmingtonnm.org. Also on Saturday, May 10th, the Music for Masada benefit concert will be at the Farmington Civic Center at 5 p.m. The evening benefits Masada House, which supports women in recovery from substance abuse. Tickets are $30 in advance and $35 at the door, and includes dinner, music, and the opportunity to bid on silent auction items. Learn more and purchase tickets at masadahouse.com. Learn more about these stories and more at farmingtonlocal.news. Thanks for watching this edition of the Local News Roundup. I'm Ryan Simonovich.